Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you how to tie a tie. Make sure you subscribe the channel. So let's begin. Hold the tie like this. Make sure the smaller part is up and the larger part is down. The smaller part should be on the right side and the larger part should be on the left side. Make a cross, then push it inside and get the larger part outside. After it comes outside, fold it from behind and get it from the left side. Then again put the larger part inside. Now fold it around from the front, get it from inside, pull it outside. You'll get a small hole, so push the larger part inside the small hole. Your tie is ready. Now just pull the small part and you're ready to go. Collar. Set your collar properly and set your tie knot properly. Thanks for watching.